The Fogo ecosystem just got access to massive liquidity. We're looking at the brand new perpetual features on Valiant Trade, which is powered by Hyperliquid, which means more pairs, higher leverage, and the triple reward structure that you definitely don't want to miss. So let's get into it. But before you watch the rest of this tutorial, do sign up with our personalized code below. You not only get 5% off your trading fees, but you'll also be supporting us on our mission to be the education hub for Fogo. It's a win-win. Now you might, and you probably should, be wondering, why did Valiant decide to launch Hyperliquid Perps on their own DEX? And it's about solving the cold start problem. Firstly, it looks fantastic and it's integrated well. Instead of trying to build liquidity from scratch, Valiant is becoming more chain agnostic. And by integrating Hyperliquid's proven L1 tech, they attract high volume traders immediately while keeping the signature polished Fogo experience. It's about being where the liquidity is without sacrificing the simple UX that we love. Let's get into the how-to. It's very simple, but there's a few key points that I want to point out to unlock the full power of the platform. Firstly, head straight to Valiant, click on Perps, use the link below, and then go ahead and connect your favorite SVM compatible wallet. We've got Nightly, Soulflare, Backpack, Phantom, and for this one, we're going to be using Backpack. Click sign in, we'll go with Backpack here, and we'll approve, log in, and approve. Then we have to click enable Perps trading, and approve that. This activates Fogo sessions, which lets you trade gaslessly and without constant pop-ups for the rest of your session. Now you can deposit from various chains, including Solana and EVM chains, but for this tutorial, you're just going to be depositing directly from Fogo. So we'll click on this button here and then click deposit. We can do USDC or USDT. We're just going to click on Fogo, where the only option we have is USDC. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to bridge it. $250. You can see there's a bridge fee of $2 and it takes 1 to 2 minutes. And we agree to bridge to Solana and we approve. And now we've got a couple more small fees and we'll deposit into Perps. These fees are a standard amount. So if you're going to be depositing $1,000 or $10, it's going to be the same fees. You can see the UI labels it bridge to Solana and then deposit to Perps. Now we can click done and our funds are sitting in our wallet. It's important to remember when you're on Valiant, the trading actually happens on Hyperliquid. And if you look at the top of the UI, you've got this button here. This is actually the EVM wallet address that's connected to Hyperliquid. And now this is seamlessly attached to your Valiant account. And this connection is what gives you access to over 200 tokens and stocks and oil with deep liquidity and up to 40x leverage on assets like Bitcoin. Just a midway reminder, if you haven't yet, use that referral in our description. It's the easiest way for you to lock in those fee rebates while you're opening new positions, and you get triple reward. So this is where it gets juicy. Trading on Valiant isn't just about a 5% trading fee rebate using our code, nor the Perps P&L, which hopefully is decent. It's about the triple reward structure. First, you're earning points towards the next Hyperliquid airdrop just by generating volume. Second, you're eligible for Fogo Flame Season 2, and we're talking up to 2% of the total Fogo supply up for grabs. And third, you can earn exclusive Valiant rewards and badges. You're basically stacking rewards across 3 different projects simultaneously. Let me show you how to execute your first trade, because this is very straightforward. First, go ahead and select the token that you're after. We'll go with BTC for this one. Then you can choose your direction, long or short. Of course, if you think it's going to go up, you select long. If you think it's going to go down, you select short. We're going to go short with this one. Then at the top, you have a leverage amount. So if you want to go degen, which is certainly not what I do, you can go 10x. Otherwise, you can go to something more respectable, like 3 or 4x. And you also have to select your margin mode. You've got cross and isolated. Cross means that the total collateral can be used to provide margin for all your trades, and isolated keeps risk to that one token. It's connected to the collateral attached. Isolated is safer, but collateral can give you more room to potentially make profit. We'll stay on cross, but you can change it to isolated. And then you go ahead and you put in your dollar value here. This you can see is using 13% of our capital. If we use 100%, then we're using $738 worth. And if the price jumped up to 93,000, then we would be liquidated. I'm actually going to go a little bit higher here. And of course, in other tutorials, we can talk about risk positioning and the basics of TA. But for this one, just a quick overview. Place the order and confirm the order. Down here, you can see my order. This is the position value. when I actually entered the position, my unrealized P&L, so I'm currently slightly up. If the price jumps up to $112,091, I get liquidated, margin, and we've got funding, which we can cover in another video. And we also have take profit and stop loss. If you're not familiar with this, then definitely use these. If we want to close out the order, we just click on close, then we can market close or select how much we actually want to market close. And just like that, it does the market close. That's just one position, but we could go and have multiple positions. They also have commodities like crude oil. This went up crazy to like 119 and then pulled back down just based on the Middle East war news. You've got precious metals here. FX is foreign exchange, so euro and Japanese yen. And then you even have equities that you can long or short as well. Also down the bottom here, you can have a look at your order history. This shows everything that happens, your trade history, your funding history, and any open orders and balances that you have. And what about the roadmap, the future? It's looking good. Valiant has some exciting things planned with AI tool integration that will take your trading experience to the next level. AI is everywhere. It makes sense for it to be a part of trading. And all we can say right now is that you do want to get started now. That way you're first in line. So we've got fast execution, gasless trading, and triple rewards. Valiant Trades is officially taking the Fogo ecosystem to the next level. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice and trading perps involves risk. Sign up using the link below and I'll see you on the leaderboard.